Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. So on this video here, I want you guys to leave a comment, and all the comments that I get up until Thursday night on the 19th, I believe it is, at 8 p.m. Eastern time, my time, I'm going to be going live on that date, and any comments I get, I'm going to be doing an auto number generator, and the number that it lands on, I'm going to count down that number in the comments, and whoever has that comment is going to win a piece of merch of their choosing from my shop, my merch shop. You can get that information down on the description if you want to see what's in the merch shop. Another thing, YouTube has no take from this. It's all on myself. YouTube has no part in it at all. I legally need to say that when doing a giveaway, apparently. So this is all on me, not on YouTube at all. So let's get into the video. We got a boiler room here, drain backing up. So we're gonna snake it out and see what we find, to see if we pull anything back. Got you that time. We're just going to be using the K50. We got some sort of washcloth and some sort of mask. Alright guys, so remember, you want to put it, you can put as many comments as you want down in the comment section. Try not to overload it, like leave some for everyone else, I guess. That doesn't really make sense, but I want to thank you guys. This is just a thank you to you guys, whoever wins this, for subscribing, for liking the videos, for commenting on them, and for watching them. I really do appreciate it. It helps out a lot. It really does. So until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Trogna.